if you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut Asian metaphor and lady made her cry. Well, luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. What a way to start the day.